So there's a global shortage in cybersecurity skills, and especially in the attack and defense area. There is a need for people to learn more about what to do technically, to respond technically and to be able to respond to the incidents that the companies face. At UQ, we are actually having a program around cyber incident response, and platforms such as CyberBit are perfect for us to expose our students towards such an attack and defense scenario. Some of the biggest challenges in cybersecurity education today are actually the lack of hands-on experience to be able to try some of the tools in realistic scenarios. And also, one of the challenges as an educator myself is to keep up with the changing set of tools as well that evolve together with the times and the different vulnerabilities that are exposed over time. So CyberBit is a very good experience, and we feel that it's a great platform.
As part of my role, I've been responsible for helping to select Team Oceania, which recently travelled to the International Cybersecurity Challenge in Athens, Greece. It's easy enough to teach students the theory of how to respond to cyber attacks, but in real life you need to understand the implications of your actions. You need to understand how to go from a response of you've been attacked to your organisation is safe from that attack happening again in the future. You need to go through the right reporting steps, you need to go through the right remediation steps. This is something that's really hard to train using just theoretical exercises on its own. You need live-fire challenges to do that.
So the technical training of the attack and defense in cybersecurity is a bit like learning martial arts, right? You don't really know whether you're good enough until you enter the ring, right? So I think having a lot of hands-on experience will be very beneficial for everyone. Most of the other platforms that we have tried actually look too simplistic, are not able to simulate what is an enterprise environment very well, and sometimes they also crash halfway. So this is not very ideal. So that is a reason why in the end, CyberBit was a no-brainer for us.